An oiler on a ship assists in maintaining and in operation of machinery, ensuring smooth and safe operation. Key responsibilities include monitoring machinery, inspecting equipment, starting out stopping engines, and ensuring systems run safe, assisting in repairs, troubleshooting, and performing routine maintenance to prevent breakdowns. Cleaning and housekeeping, keeping the engine room clean and handling fuel. System monitoring, checking gauges for engines, boilers, and auxiliary systems. Engine maintenance, monitoring and maintaining oil levels, changing oil, and cleaning filters. Emergency response, assisting in emergencies as directed by senior engineers. The role requires mechanical skills, attention to detail, physical stamina, safety awareness, and teamwork. Oilers typically need STCW certification, marine engineering training, and hands-on experience. Work is done in noisy, confined spaces with shift work, including nights and weekends.